Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can highlight your muscles in a video using CapCut. So if you want to enhance your physique with and make those muscles pop in your fitness video or gym service, you can use CapCut, and here I'm going to show you the easy steps. So you can just import your video to CapCut like this, for example. And now you can just go to where you want to highlight. For example, in here, I'm going to highlight here. Now you can just click on the video and freeze the frame. So click on freeze like this. And then you can just duplicate the freeze frame and put it on top like this. So duplicate it 2 times. And now you can just deactivate or disable this first 2 frames. You can just click on V on your keyboard or just right click and choose deactivate clip like this. Now click on the top right here and then go to mask, add mask, and choose the pan options. And now you can just go to the part that you want to highlight and use the pan in here. I'm going to say highlight this part right here. Okay, I'm going to go with this one right here. Now click on the freeze frame again. Now you can just go to the adjustment. So click on adjust in here, go to curves and scroll down until you find the green and blue options. Here you can just turn down the green and also blue. So just turn down like this all the way to the bottom, so it will become red like this. Now go to basic and find the saturation options. Now increase the saturations so you can get the red that you need. So I'm going to go with 38 like this. And then you can just go back to the masking again, this one. And here you can add some feather to smoothen the edges like this. And this will be the preview. Okay. Now you can just repeat the steps if you want to highlight the other hand, for example. So guys, that's how you can highlight the muscles on your videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.